Hi, so like many of you, you will have had lots of iPhones and put lots of cover onto the screens of your iPhones to protect them. And I've used them all. I've had endless phones. So this is the latest one I've used before on various phones I've had, called Magic John's Screen Protector, which actually is brilliant because it's so easy to apply, and B, it protects the screen beautifully. It's scratch resistant, drop resistant. If you drop water on it just never seems to attract any fingerprints on it, and it's just brilliant. So I'm going to show you how to apply it to your phone by using my iPhone 13. So when you open the box, you get instructions, which are pretty clear. You get a installation tray, and you get an installation kit, which consists of a wet and a dry cloth, and you get one of these just to try and get rid of any bubbles that you may have, which is unlikely, but it's worth having. So that's what we have. So I'm going to open up the Magic John installation kit, and lo and behold, we've got a wet wipe, a cloth, and a dust removal sticker. So the first thing I'm going to do on my phone is use a wet wipe. So I'm going to open up the wet wipe because I want it to be clean before these stickers go on. So I'm opening up the wet wipe here and give the screen a good wipe. Get rid of any fingerprints. And it's quite good for cleaning around the sides as well. And then we take the drying cloth and we dry the screen. And that is very dry, as you can see, beautifully dry. So then we're going to follow the we're going to use the dust removal sticker next. So we take the dust removal sticker off this, and you can look on the screen and do this, and it just will pull off any dust. So you'll have a perfect. So then, if we look at the instructions, it says, put the application tray on your phone. So I'm going to do that. And then it says, use your fingers to grab onto the sides where the arrowhead is and pull out the dust removal strip. So I'm gripping here, and it's on the ground. Here, gripping that, and I'm pulling out the dust removal strip there. It then says, press and swipe with your finger from left to right on the slit. So I'm doing that. There we go, press and wipe. And then press both sides of the tray, tear off the sticker while pressing on both sides of the tray. So I'm pressing on both sides of the tray, and then this sticker here, you pull. That's it. And then you remove the application tray from the bottom. That's it. And then the final thing is you lift the film. There we're going. The film lifted. And that is done. Look at that. Unbelievably. Not a speck, not a speck of dust, not a missing part. Looks brilliant. And the great thing is it also has the facility when you're trying to look at the screen, people looking over your shoulder can't see